Okay, see, like now it's recording.
Hi, we're in the kitchen with Miciah King. I'm Chef Vino, and we are doing a classical French dish, Vichyssoise. Vichyssoise is a cold soup. It's a cold French soup whose origins are debatable as to whether it was imported to us from France or whether it originated in the United States by a French chef. So, come closer and you can see what Miciah is doing. So, Vichyssoise is a potato and onion soup. Potato, leeks, onions. So leeks are in the onion family. You have white onions, you have leeks, you have green onions, and you have chives, all onions. So she's boiling her potato, she's sweating her onions, and in a minute we'll combine these two together and we'll puree that. We're going to season it, we're going to add cream, and we're going to put that together, and it's going to be good.
Yeah.
How you is it going?
Wait, did you do it on my phone or your phone?
Miciah.
Okay, so now what we're doing is we're removing the potatoes from the water. We separate the potatoes from the water. We're going to have to puree the potatoes and our onions together. Because don't forget, this is all of the flavoring in this soup comes from the potatoes, the onions, the chicken stock, and the cream. Now keep in mind this is a classical French dish, Miciah. And the French believe in using stock to flavor grains and vegetables. So if you wanted to, so now, even though we're using vegetables, you see two vegetables here, onions and potatoes. Would you call this a vegetable soup?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not soupy.
Well, I mean the dish. Would you call this a vegetable dish? Well, let me help you. It is a vegetable dish, but it wouldn't classify it as being a vegetarian dish. What keeps it out of the realm of being vegetarian is the fact that we got chicken stock. So if you wanted to make the same soup for a vegetarian, then you would eliminate the chicken stock and substitute it with vegetable stock. And instead of using cream, you could use something like soy milk. Okay? So you can make the same soup for vegans just by making a few little adjustments. All right? Okay, so now we're going to set up the food processor, and we're going to puree our soup, and we're going to have to do that in batches. So we can cut. Oh, come on. Yeah, come on. Okay, go here. So now what we're doing, this is our next step, and that is pureeing the potatoes to make them a smooth, creamy consistency. So the potatoes and the onions are going into the food processor. The lid goes on. Use some chicken stock. So now what's going on here is we're only adding enough stock to facilitate the operation of the food processor. So you always want to start. Now one thing about operating a hot liquid is to keep it vented with a hot towel. Okay, you can let it rip. And now that it's going, you can take the front off. So you're doing this for your French class?
Yes.
Très bien. Très bien. Okay. So now the next step is consistency. So if you look at that, and you can bring that over and look down at it. So So if you look, even though we do have pureed potatoes and onions, it's not very soup-like. So now we need to adjust the consistency. So we'll add more chicken stock. Consistency. So we're going to go a little thicker. Now keep in mind that all liquid that we add to this is not only going to affect the flavor, it's also going to affect the consistency. And you know we still have to finish this in cream, right? So if we do all of our thinning with chicken stock, then it's going to be super thin when we get the cream. So again, what we have here is white pepper. And you can come and see this. White pepper, always in white food. See how that disappears? If we were to use black pepper, it would look dirty. So I tell you what, let's taste it. So it probably needs seasoning, and I'm gonna tell you right. Wait a minute. I'll tell you right off the bat. Let's add some salt. And I know that probably seems like a lot of salt, but potatoes take a lot of salt. So let's see what we got. Potato onion soup. And now I'm gonna have to sneeze. Got that? I don't know why. What you think? More salt? Now so that you don't dip the same spoon in there. Okay.